Finding the right ratcheting wrench can make a huge difference when working on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, or home repair projects. Traditional wrenches often require constant repositioning, slowing down the job and making tight spaces frustrating to work in. Ratcheting wrenches solve that problem with faster operation, improved accessibility, and greater efficiency. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best ratcheting wrenches you can buy right now. We researched product specifications, features, and user feedback to create this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices and availability. Let's get started. Number 5. SEESII 6-inch Extended Ratchet Wrench. 3/8 cordless electric wrench is a cordless electric tool designed to make automotive and maintenance work faster and easier. Powered by a 12-volt rechargeable battery system, it delivers up to 55 Newton meters of torque, helping users loosen and tighten fasteners with minimal effort. The extended neck design improves access to hard-to-reach areas under the hood or inside tight engine compartments. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries for longer working sessions, while the compact, cordless construction enhances portability. Ideal for car repairs, maintenance tasks, and workshop projects, this tool combines convenience, power, and efficiency in one package. Number 4. Galacok 2832-in-1 Mini Ratchet Wrench Set. The Galacok Mini Ratchet Wrench Set is a versatile solution for users who frequently work in confined spaces where standard tools cannot fit. Featuring a compact right-angle offset design and a durable 72-tooth ratchet mechanism, it allows smooth operation with minimal swing movement. The kit includes multiple magnetic torques and screwdriver bits, providing compatibility with a wide range of fasteners. Its ergonomic handle improves control while reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Perfect for electronics, household repairs, furniture assembly, and automotive applications, this portable set delivers impressive flexibility and convenience for everyday tasks. Number 3. LUCHSHIY Multifunctional Adjustable Ratchet Wrench. The LUCHSHIY Multifunctional Ratchet Wrench is designed for users who want one tool capable of handling multiple fastener sizes. Its adjustable jaw accommodates nuts and bolts ranging from 6 mm to 22 mm, reducing the need to carry several individual wrenches. The ratcheting mechanism speeds up tightening and loosening tasks while maintaining a secure grip on fasteners. Built from durable materials for long-term reliability, it is suitable for automotive repairs, plumbing work, home maintenance, and general workshop use. Compact, practical, and highly adaptable, this wrench is an excellent addition to any toolbox. Number 2. Libraton Offset Wrench Set Metric 6 pieces ratcheting box wrenches, covering sizes from 6 mm to 19 mm, making it a valuable option for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. The offset design improves accessibility around obstacles and recessed fasteners, while the ratcheting box ends allow faster operation without removing the wrench after every turn. Manufactured from durable steel for strength and longevity, these tools are built to withstand demanding applications. The included storage organizer keeps everything neatly arranged and easy to transport. Whether for vehicle maintenance, machinery work, or household repairs, this set offers versatility and professional-level performance. Number 1. TaskStar 3/8-inch Digital Torque Wrench. The TaskStar Digital Torque Wrench stands out as the most advanced option on this list, combining precision measurement with ratcheting functionality. It features a digital display, bidirectional ratchet head, and impressive +2% accuracy for reliable torque application. Supporting torque ranges up to 220 Newton meters, and including 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch adapters, it works across a variety of automotive, motorcycle, and bicycle maintenance tasks. Multiple measurement units, dual warning alerts, and an ergonomic design enhance usability and accuracy. For users who need precise torque control and professional-grade performance, this digital wrench delivers exceptional value and functionality. The best ratcheting wrench depends on your specific needs. The SEESII offers cordless power. The Galacok excels in tight spaces. The LUCHSHIY provides adjustable versatility. The Libraton delivers a complete wrench set. And the TaskStar leads with professional digital torque accuracy. No matter your project, these tools can help you work faster, easier, and more efficiently. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and buying guides.